Today we're going to solve a trigonometry problem applied to a real-life situation. But before we start, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. A firefighter is using a ladder to reach a window. The base of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall, and the ladder makes a 60-degree angle with the ground. What is the length of the ladder? Here, this is the ladder. What is the length of the ladder? Here is the wall. What do we need to find out? The value of the hypotenuse, which is the ladder. We have the value of the adjacent side, so we can use the formula. Cosine of 60 degrees equals the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Substituting the cosine of 60, it's 0.5, which is equal to the adjacent side is 6 over the hypotenuse. I'll do it step by step. Here it's a division, so when you move it to the other side, the left side, it becomes multiplication. So it's 0.5 times the hypotenuse equals 6. Now, here it's multiplication. So when you move it over, it becomes division. So the hypotenuse equals 6 divided by 0.5. So the hypotenuse is 12. What's the answer here? The ladder is 12 meters long. We found the answer for the length of the ladder using trigonometry and applying the cosine formula to the 60-degree angle. If you liked it, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.